We got do the man. Can't nobody else do it. Do the man. Hey. High five. High five. All right. We got us a snack. I made us a fruit plate. We got the strawberries, we got the bananas, the Mediterranean oranges, some pineapples, and some watermelons. Get y'all a couple. Yeah. Got us strawberry. You can have whatever you want. Pineapple's good. It's a little cold. A cold? They cold, dude. That's all. They good, but they cold. They banana. Mediterranean orange. I know you like those. We got strawberries. I'll chop them up real nice for you. You sleeping on these watermelons, dude. Let me bring y'all a little closer. I see why you like these Mediterranean oranges. You like that? Try that. I just want you to try it one time. Gotcha. You don't like it? They're so good though. Try that. That's strawberry. I know you like those. No. You try it. You eat it. You eat it. More? This is our sneaky snack. I thought you would like those. Try it. Try it one more time. So I know you don't like it. If you don't like it this time, I'll leave you alone. You got nanas too. I know you like nanas. You love you some Mediterranean oranges, don't you? Okay? Okay? Ah. You hiding them? Put them back on the plate. Try it, dude. You might like it, man. Damn, these pineapple up. Wait a minute, try it. Chew it. You gotta just try it. Try it. You try it. I want you to try it. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Ah. Ah. Say ah. Say ah. Say ah. You know. You learn something new. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. You the best.